About this item: many SAS 36 SFF8087 to SFF8482 SAS forward breakout, internal mini SAS 36-pin SFF8087 SAS connector male connect to SAS RAID controller or motherboard, SAS 29-pin 4 SFF8482 connectors with SATA-Power connect to hard driver or 4 HDD. Each 29-pin SFF8482 adapter contains SATA 7-pin data and SATA 15-pin power adapter. Note: SFF8087 to 4 SFF8482 cable do not work with SAS driver. Do not connector SFF8087 on your backplane, otherwise the mini SAS to SAS breakout will not work with. The mini SAS to 4 SAS/SFF8087 host to SFF8482 target, SAS 8087 host connect to SAS HBA/ORPC controller, mini SAS 36 SFF8087 to 4 SFF8482 connectors with SATA-Power link between the serial SCSI controller and the SATA disks 8087 breakout cable with power, 8087 male SAS connector for expand storage use. SAS to SAS cable are labeled. Simple up your cable management game. Mini SAS SFF8087 SFF8482 data transfer cable, easy link serial SCSI controller and the SAS/SATA connector SFF8087 SAS.